Let's see the symbols. This is the symbol of division. This is the symbol of multiplication. This is the symbol of subtraction. This is the symbol of addition. Let's make 1 using these symbols, taking 1 5 times. That is 1 multiplied by 1 divided by 1 plus 1 minus 1. 1 multiplied by 1 divided by 1, 1 plus 1 minus 1. 1 into 1 plus 1 minus 1. 1 multiplied by 1, 1 plus 1 minus 1, 0 is equal to 1.